Profile over ICT third midterm content. Chapter 10 Online Information. From this video, you will learn about the following. Understand that information can be gathered from a wide range of sources. Be able to select and use appropriate sources of information. Know how to use search engines effectively. Be able to evaluate the fitness for purpose of available information in terms of accuracy, age, relevance, reliability, and bias. Understand issues related to copyright, permission to use, acknowledgement of source. Understand issues related to plagiarism, copy and paste, rewriting, and paraphrasing. Let's begin the lesson. Look at this picture. This is Mr. Bob. How do I find what I need? See, when we want to find the information, that means the facts about something, you are in a trouble from where I can find the information. From which correct source I have to find the information. Lot of issues will arise. Yes, we can find the information using these sources: newspapers, books, magazines, diary, movies, plays and drama, audio and video like CD, DVDs, and from the internet too. Then manually you can use dictionaries, then papers, manuals, like that. Then nowadays you will use the best information sources. Just type in the keywords on a search engine and quickly finding the information what you need. So I know this is the best method you are using nowadays. You don't want to waste the time to turn the pages and find the books and magazines. When we consider the types of information sources, there are two types of information sources. One is primary source, other one is secondary source. Primary source, you have created this information yourself. Secondary sources that you are using, someone created things. Look at these two pictures. One girl is taking a photograph using her camera, so she is creating the picture. She is capturing the picture. Secondary source, just we are using the internet or any other method. Here, that using the Google, you are finding the information, the relevant pictures. So, someone created this. When considering what is the best method to find the information, then when using the internet, you can easily find the information, but there are many methods you can use to find internet information. One is by typing the website address in the address bar. If you know exactly, I have to go to this website, then you know the URL. You can use directly the website address and go to the website. The next one, by using search engine. When you don't know exactly this must be the website, so you can just type the keywords about what you want to find. The words you have to type under the search box of the search engine. Then not only that, you can use the smart personal assistant. This is very popular today. You don't want to type the words, so you can give the spoken words to the device, such as using Apple's Siri and Google Assistant. So, what are you thinking? Typing the URL or by typing the keywords or giving the spoken words? Yes, using the search engine is the best and easiest method to find the information quickly. Let's see what is the definition given to the search engine. A software that searches the web pages for information on a particular topic when you do not know the URL. Yes, you know about what I want to find, so that is the particular topic, and you don't know this is the URL of the site I have to visit, so you can easily use this search engine method. We all know what are the examples for search engines: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask.com. Let's see what are the steps you can use to access information. Just in 4 steps. Open the web browser. Type the address of the search engine in the address bar. Then type the keywords. Then click on the relevant link. Yes, you will get many hyperlinks. So you can click on the relevant link. Then, when talking about the web browsers, actually this is an application software you can use to find the information on the internet or to read the web pages. The examples are here with the picture: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, then Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera, and web browser you can use to do this. Let's see after opening the web browser. Here you can see with the picture I have opened the Google Chrome as the web browser. Then what is the first step? Type the address of search engine. Even though you are in the web browser, then you have to go to the relevant search engine site. So here I have taken www.google.com. Number 2, type the keywords in the search box. See the example. I am typing the keyword as car. Then you can go to the results page, like many hyperlinks are there in blue color. Then you can click on the desired and relevant hyperlink to go to the website and to see the information. Let's see with the practicals. I am already in the google.com website. So here I can type the keyword car. Then look at the result will appear. So you have to just read with this short description and find what is the most suitable website to visit to find the information. What is happening actually in this search engine? As a user, you will type the keywords through the search box to send the request. I want to open the result relevant to this topic. Then where it will go? It is going to a database of keywords, and from that will give the result in closest match to the user relevant to what you have searched by typing the keyword. So this is already comparing the words entered by you with the words in a database of web pages and show after that through the browser what is the closest match. Get the results effectively. Even though when you are typing the keywords, how you are thinking, I am getting the results what I need exactly. Yes, you can type the keywords to find the information if you know the topic about what you want to find. By specifying the search type, you are thinking, I want to find an image, or I want to find a web result, or I want to find a video. So you can select the type of image, type of search by using search tools. By time, by color, anything you want to find about the cars in red color, so you can select the color from the tool and the result will give only the red cars. By using suggested sites and autofill, we will discuss further. By using search syntaxes or boolean. See, by specifying the search type, when you search, actually by default comes the web search type, and images, videos, news, maps, any relevant type, search type you can select from this. Then by using search tools means you have to click on the tools button, then it will give size, color. Now I am searching the images, so size, colors, usage rights and type, time you can select from this. Suggested sites, this is a feature given by a browser you to find the site similar to the one you are visiting. Then automatically it will give to you, then you can search from the suggested sites also. That's what it's called as suggested sites given by the web browser. Autofill method is, once you started typing the keywords, then it will show different words, begin with your word, then word or phrase. Without typing, you can select and go to the desired result. Then reduces the time waste. Next one is search syntax. Then these are we call booleans too. Then and, not and praise machine are the main three syntax, search syntax you can use to find the information effectively. Let's see. And adding between words return the results that match both words. This is the default one. Not. Adding before a word return the results that do not include that word. Then what is the word you are taking in front of that? If you have entered minus sign, then it is considered as no need to display that word result. Then other words one computer will return as the result. Praise machine, adding around a group of words return the results that including whole phrase exactly. What you have typed, disadvantages of social networking. So exactly that phrase where it is available under the web, it will come as the result. Let's see with the practical. Look, here just I am typing red plus car. See, red plus car. Adding both the verbs, you will get the results. You can see here mainly with the red colors. Minus red car. Got the images. Now instead of red, other colors cars as the result you can see. Next example, red and yellow cars. I'm typing this one within double quotation. See, exact one, red and yellow cars. We'll go back to the presentation. Look, one sample examination question. Jamal has a cool project to complete on the effects of global warming. He uses a search engine to help him. When Jamal enters the words global warming into the search engine, a large number of links are given. Give two things Jamal can do to reduce the number of links. We all know that after typing the keywords, lot of results, that means number of hyperlinks, will be given as the result. So how we can find? We are in a trouble. How to find? This is the website I have to use, the relevant one. So children, here look at, he wants to find the effects of global warming. But Jamal has entered just global warming. So what is the difference? Global warming, when considered everything relevant to global warming, it will show as the result. But effects of global warming, then compared to previous one, this will give the less number of hyperlinks as the result. Here the give word is as the command word. You don't want to type long answers, just you have to say the answer combination of words. So you can refer these as the answers. Second examination sample question. Explain why one must consider his use of keywords when using a search engine. Command word is explain. So children, here you have to consider 2 marks are given. That means when you are writing the answer, if you identified this is the point, if you identified this is the point, explain requires you have to write the evidence for that point. why you are deciding this is as the point, so you have to give the evidence, the proof. So then for the point 1 mark, for the evidence second mark. So 2 marks are given like that way. This is for your reference. See how they have given the marks one by one. Next part. Does my information fit? How do you think whatever the information you gathered from the internet, is it fit to your purpose? Right? So we have to consider mainly when we are finding the information, it is fit to our purpose. These are the factors you should consider when searching information. There are 5. Accuracy, age, relevance, reliability and bias. We'll think you are going to write an article or you are going to do an assignment. So you have to consider these factors when selecting the information for your assignment from the internet. Methods for checking information. Accuracy. How I can find my information is accurate? You have to get those information from trustworthy source. That means, can you trust that source? Then compare with other sources too. That means if you are comparing with another source, then both the sources provide the same meaning, same thing telling to your information. Information has evidence. Some information will be there without evidence, so you have to consider if the evidence provided only, you can consider this information is correct. Next one is age. Check the publication date. You can see that here I have mentioned what is the date of the publication. So with that you have to consider I am taking the recent information or old information. Some old information will not match to nowadays point, so you have to consider the date when you are finding the information. Relevance. Check information's topic matches the topic you need. Think you are given a question. Write the answer. When you write irrelevant answer for that question, will the teacher give the marks? No. So, you have to consider the relevancy of the information. That means it is matching to the relevant topic. Reliability. Can you trust this information what you are taking? It is okay. So the method you have to find, compare it against other unrelated sources to see if it matches. Bias. Provides a range of viewpoints. Bias means only to one side that author has discussed. So here you have to consider many points actually to both the sides. Correct side, wrong side, both the side you use to write, then it is better. Provides a range of viewpoints. Can use same to tell a story in different way. When you talk, this is the point, so you are using that same information, you can create a different story. Different way you can use. Check for missing information at the use of statistic and questioning. That if you can provide these statistics and questioning, that will be the very correct answer because you are proving that point with the evidence. Next part is you have to consider about copyright. This is a legal means of protecting an author's work. Look at this picture. We should have asked for permission to use that cartoon. We all know we cannot use others' work without their permission. So what is that? If someone has created, we think that is an article, you cannot copy. You cannot modify or alter. You cannot publish without the real owner's permission. This is just the simple copyright permission process. You can refer it. We have to get the permission from the real owner when you are using that person's work for your work. So to get the further information, you can watch these videos on YouTube. Look at this picture. One student is there, teacher is there. Then you can see the paper contains F letter. Fail. Why teacher has given F? Because this child has copied everything straight off the internet. Nicely he has used the internet pen by looking at the internet contents. Nicely he has written the same thing for his work and showing it to the teacher. I did this. So that's what we have to consider. You can't copy as it is what is in the internet and publish as your work. So we call for that plagiarism. This is the act of presenting another's work or ideas as your own. To avoid plagiarism, one method you can follow: summarize the contents. First you get what is the main idea you can get from the internet content. Then you convert into your own words. Summarize. If it is the long paragraph, you summarize it. So that includes your own words. Next one, paraphrase. When you are taking the paragraph from the internet, you can keep the same length of the paragraph, but you can add your own words to that paragraph also. So you are not directly taking the internet contents and passing it as your own work. Third method, quote. You have to put the quotation or from where you have taken the information straight with use with the quotations. See the examination sample question. Students use the internet to research topics for school. Discuss the factors that they should consider during their research and when using the information gathered in their own work. Should consider, discuss also. Here you don't want to give the evidence, but you can include further descriptions for your point, including examples too. Should consider during their research. Factors they should consider during their research. When you gather the internet information for your assignment, we'll think what you must consider. We learn 5 points. Then this is the sample answer. This is up to you. Thank you, children.